Hi, and I'm here at IGCF 2023, and as you can see, it is action-packed, very busy, full of crowds, and we've witnessed so far some amazing speeches from the likes of Judge Frank Caprio, who shared his happiness, in fact, and his treatment and his wonderful experience, not only at IGCF 2023, but Sharjah and the United Arab Emirates in general. So you can see it's really busy, it's really crowded, full of personalities, social media personalities, dignitaries, everybody here and participating and joining in the International Government Communication Forum 2023. It's more fun to come. Join us as we continue throughout the day. The 12th edition is gearing up to stage powerful stories of transformation and change from Gambia, Madagascar and other parts of the world on September the 13th to the 14th in Expo Centre Sharjah. There are 4 seminars at IGCF 2023 highlighting key challenges of the era, such as the Sustainability Seminar organised by IGCF in cooperation with COP28, the UAE Ministry of Climate Change and Environment, highlights sustainability challenges and opportunities. I'm here with His Excellency Mohammed Jamal Al-Raisi, the Director General of WAM Agency. Your Excellency Mohammed, these events are very important. What do you think the importance of these events and why should we have such events?
First of all, thank you very much for being here. And I think the most important point in this, that we as a government departments that are related to work with the communication and also media outlets are together in this show. And what is the interest there? It's like there will be an environment that we can discuss with each other the things that we should work together and try to explain it to the audience that we are working with. Many times there is a barriers between communication departments and also media outlets. This event will help both sides to take this barrier out and talk to each other and try to create the environment that will help them to serve their audience. The audience of the government, it is people, public who would like to have a service better, and also our audience who will be the media audience, the general public, and everyone who's watching and seeing any program that we have.
What has your experience been so far and your review of this amazing event, IGCF 2023?
Really my great honor to be here to attend this event. I think this is a very, very good platform to bring the people, all kind of people, government agencies, universities, think tanks, media, and professionals together to discuss the challenges of the world, our life. Economic challenges, social and ecological, environmental, geopolitical, all the challenges. And we discuss the ways to deal with it and fix it and to build up the better world.
I'm here with Sheikh Majid bin Sultan Al-Qasimi. Sheikh, I wanted to get your feedback on how have you seen this event so far and why are these kind of events important?
Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. First of all, we'd like to thank and congratulate the government of Sharjah for having such an exceptional event of this caliber. It's been going on for 12 years and it's focusing on future decision makers, whether it's going to be the teenagers, whether it's people who are continuing in studies or PhD, and in the near future they are going to be decision makers, and these events are the hub and the perfect place where minds come together to interact, to discuss, to share ideologies, to share insights, to share perspectives. And from my opinion, I think it's very, very effective to keep these events going on. Everyone comes together and hopefully we can find solutions to any challenges that might arise in the near future.
This forum, I am retired. I retired from Asian Development Bank and I really wanted to know the culture over here. And so I wanted to stimulate myself also with these, and I'm pleasantly surprised that this is really organized in probably the best possible way that it can be. And I wanted to hear what's going on within UAE, within Sharjah particularly, with these forums, and I have heard many of these stimulating sessions today.
These events are stressing the importance of the government communication in the region, and we know that people spend so much time in the media more than anything else. I had a workshop here about the medical and health media and the importance and the challenges of educating people and spreading awareness on the media. We know nowadays people get their knowledge from the social media platform more than the traditional medias. And we know this has many challenges. We need some regulatory bodies to help us in that. We talked about how can the medical media part improve our sustainable goals, and for the COP28, how can the Emirate of Sharjah outcome those challenges and improve the way that physicians and doctors and the government communication, and how can the government and the people help each other when it comes to the quality of life and the healthcare.
I've been invited by my professor in Canadian University Dubai, and I've came here for get to know more about conferences here, and to meet new people, meet because my major is journalism, and I want to know more about this whole event, and it's pretty good actually. I'm feeling really, really good and getting to know more stuff here.
So we've come to the end of this two-day event. It really was an amazing, really action-packed event full of such vital topics such as cybersecurity, artificial intelligence, poverty, media, you name it, it's been discussed and mentioned here at IGCF 2023. It's sad to see it go, but we know that inshallah it will come back better and stronger next year at IPC 2024. And I leave you, and it's sad to go at the end of this great event.